everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do Merry planning in my A5 white planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using a Sadie stickers kit. It is called Mistletoe, so this would be for the third week of December 2025. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so let us start off with the sidebar. So I put down some florals, those pretty florals. Those are from the deco kit or deco add-ons that you can buy from Sadie Stickers shop. And then, of course, I'll be putting down the big sticker. And then look at what I put down right beside it. It's the same sticker as the big sticker. The full box is the same as the big sticker deco that I put down. So I'm like, okay, let's change that out and put that beautiful heart like a decoration instead of the same image. It's like, what is happening here? So yes, I put down some florals and those are the bases for like the deco with the light. I just love that lamp, like that lamp on the bottom part. And then of course I use a lot of the florals and the deco to put them all around the full boxes or the big deco. And then I put down some gold foil. Is this I think it's like a foil add-on. So what I'm using is a foil add-on. And then we'll go to the next page. So I do like the same thing I did for the sidebar. I put again florals on the side. And then I think I'll be putting the big deco in the center. I'm a big sticker center girl. If you've noticed my my other plan with me, it seems to be that I put the big stickers always in the middle. All right, so and then I put down that fireplace down. And then I think I just put down the rest of these deco, both a mixture of the full boxes. Well, there's no full boxes here, so I'll just be putting down a lot of deco from the kit, both the deco kit and some add-ons. So that is it for my base, and I'll talk to you today. All right, so let's start off with Monday. So I really like this color of this kit. It's not the usual red and green that you we usually have for Christmas kits, and it's just so pretty. The colors, the pastel colors, the pinks, so very soft color. So yeah, so on Monday we did go to my husband's doctor's appointment. So I did go with him, and then I was able to go to this really nice like Goodwill store because they have really good books there. Every time I go to the Goodwill shop, their books are so good. They're like super new, and I'm like, did they get this from like bookshops or something? Because there's a lot of variety, as well as the books aren't even worn out or anything. So yep, I got some from Goodwill, and then got some Jollibee for lunch. And then after that, okay, so on Tuesday, I went for some errands. What did I do on oh, no, I went for an appointment. My turn, my doctor's appointment. And I was also complaining about my shoulder. It was suddenly painful for a few months. But then, like, after I came from that appointment, it's like she even wanted me to get an appointment with a PT or something to look over my shoulder. But then she just gave me a cream, and then I put it on my shoulder, and it was like gone. So I didn't need to go to the PT or anything. Okay, so this is December. So I was shopping for some gifts. So that's why you see the shop things. And the shop things script is from Blissful Jayde Design. So most of the scripts I use here, if not all of the scripts I use here, are from Blissful Jayde Designs, who does custom black scripts, and yeah, in different fonts. So I did have a FaceTime with, because it was my father's birthday in the Philippines. So that's why I did have a FaceTime with him and my mom. And then on Wednesday, what did we do on Wednesday? Oh, I took a nap. And that cute couch, that is from My News Addiction, the icon. Um, I don't I don't know. I'm not sure if she sells them in foil anymore when I'm checking her shop. But yeah, I did get some Happy Mail, and I was also able to film. So that was the first half of the week. And then on Thursday, we were watching. Oh, I was watching Emily in Paris, the season 5 one, but this time they're like in Italy. So, it's like looking at all things Italy this time. And then I was also watching the Culinary Asia, the 100 chefs, the season 2 part 1, and that's so good. I just love that show. And then I was able to edit a plan with me. Was it a plan with me? Yes, did edit a plan with me, and I was listening to, I think, Buckeye this time. So Buckeye, oh my gosh, I already forgot the story. Let me go through my review, because I wrote it down. I think it's like a fiction story, but sort of like mystery as well. Where did I write that down? Let me see. Okay, I don't see it. I know I wrote something down for it. Oh, Buckeye, another historical fiction, and it's pretty good as well, with how the war has affected people, the relationships, and then how life goes on. So yeah, I feel like it's like a sort of like a Christine Hanna kind of story. Yeah, so that's how it was, like war once again. And then on Friday, I went on some errands. What kind of errands? I have no idea. Oh, I was just bringing my mother-in-law somewhere, doing some pickup of some medicines I needed to do, and then I was able to film a plan with me. So yeah, that, and we watched. What were we binge watching? The Thursday Murder Club. I didn't finish it though. It was so funny, but I didn't finish it. So on Saturday, I was able to film the advent calendar of the Pretty Pink Co. I finally got that one. So that's why I filmed it right away. And then I also went to the Filipino store, and I was still watching the Knives Out Oh, we started we already watched Knives Out part 1, but we wanted to see it again because it's like, some time has already gone, so we just wanted to know how what the story was. I was also watching Emily in Paris season 5. I don't know. I'm not a super fan of it right now. The Emily in Paris, like season 5, it's kind of getting to be the same thing, and they're like just exchanging partners. All right, so I did do a DoorDash of Red Robin on Sunday, and then I did order some gifts through Amazon, so they came today. And I was able to film another Plan With Me. So I was doing a lot of catching up on Plan With Me's. And yeah, that is it for this week. So, so pretty with all the snowflakes, all the very pink colors, and the soft colors for Christmas. So yeah, that's the wiggle for the other half of this week. These are the leftover stickers. I have a lot to use for like next this year's Christmas journaling. So that is it. This is in, I think, champagne gold. It must be a lighter gold for Mistletoe. The kit is Mistletoe by Sadie Stickers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.